What is up, guys? Oh, let me take my glasses off. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. I am Brandon, and I want to give a quick update to my journey of becoming a trucker. Just want to fill you in. If you have not watched my other video about me quitting my job and becoming a trucker, make sure you check that out. I'll link it above here so you can take a look. Stay tuned. Let's go. All right, guys, so you see I'm in the car, something I rarely do, but I just got done taking my physical. So when you are becoming a trucker, you have to have a medical certificate, and that's what the Department of Transportation requires you to do. You have to have this document that says that you are clear to drive a commercial vehicle and that you're functional. So if you never took a physical, it includes checking your blood pressure. They checked my urine as well. I believe that was for diabetes. They checked height, weight, BMI. They watched how I walked to make sure I could walk, bend, squat. They check your eyes. It's not extreme. It's very basic. So, and you kind of know if you are able to do it or not. You should know if you're able to, like, sit down and turn a wheel. Really, they just want you to have mobility. So I am still kind of at the beginning phases of my journey. Now I'm studying for my permit. So the program I am with, you have to it's to get your CDL program. And what this program does, you sign on with the job, and they are basically going to push you through their program. You take their program, and you earn your CDL without paying. And also with this company, you get to get paid while you're taking a CDL. So when you first do an application, you do your application. If they call you, they call you. And then they ask you for your work history. They ask for all of that. I never told you guys what the company I'm going with is Rail Transportation. Rail Transport is what they go by. They're based out of Wisconsin, and they have terminals all over. Thank God they have a terminal here where I live. I live in Gary, and they have a Gary terminal. So I will be able to train at that terminal, so I can come home every single day for at least 3 weeks. 3 weeks, I think we're in the classroom, so I'm able to come home. I don't have to travel or do anything. That's kind of a perk for me, and that was kind of a reason why I decided to go with them. But like I said, so let me see. So I did the application, did an interview on the phone, filled out some paperwork, I believe online, had to sign some stuff. And that's basically it for now. So now I'm studying to take my CLP, which is the permit. So it's basically like getting your driver's license, your regular driver's license. When you first get your regular driver's license, you have to get your permit first. And then you hold your permit. That's when you get to practice. You get to drive with someone who has a driver's license. Same thing. When you get your CDL, you just don't go get your CDL. You have to hold your permit. And then once you get your permit, you are able to practice. So you're able to drive with someone who has a CDL. And of course, with a CDL is a little more strenuous because you have to get those hours. You gotta have so many hours while you're having a permit. So that's the reason why. Oh, and also, like, this program, I'm sure like all the other ones, I don't know, this program won't let you start trucking school until you have your permit, which makes sense. Like, pass that test, go to the BMV or DMV, whatever it's called in your state, and pass the test, and then you can start school. On the test, there's 3 sections on the test that I will be taking. I have to take general knowledge, combination, and air brakes. And I ain't gonna front, I'm a little nervous because I think Each test might be 50 questions. It might be 150 questions. I don't know. Let me know. Put it in the comments if you're taking it or if you have your CDL. I'm a newbie. I'm a rookie. Still trying to figure it out. But I've been studying. Fairness, in all fairness, I did take a pre-test, but it's a pre-test. And when I took it, I didn't even study. And I missed like 6 questions. I think you only missed 10. So, but that was only like a pre-test. Who knows what's actually on the test. So I am studying and getting prepared to take it. The next update I'll be giving you is actually when I take it and when I pass it. I don't think I'm gonna do a video if I don't pass, but we're not talking about not passing. We're gonna pass. So I just wanted to give you a quick update and let you guys know what's going on. Be sure to stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed, like this video, turn that notification bell on so you can stay tuned to my next adventure of trucking. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed.